I'm Christy Ross, and I'm the founder of Planted Places, and my company helps people achieve a healthy, balanced lifestyle through organic gardening. So you may be wondering how I got into this. I am really a lot like you. I've always cared about my health. I've done the right things. I've tried to eat right, exercise, and keep some semblance of balance, which is hard, I will admit. And I've always struggled with food allergies and the famous IBS. In fact, years ago, it got so bad that it was even hard to go a few days without having a flare-up, which means no sleep and general discomfort for days. I realized after talking to professionals that my gut flora was shot and I needed to rebuild it. They told me to eat primarily leafy greens. And first I had to cook them because I couldn't digest it from the salad. And then slowly over time, I rebuilt my gut flora, and now I eat salads daily and whenever I can. The side effects, which I wasn't expecting at the time, I haven't been sick in years. I have higher energy levels. I used to get the 3 p.m. slump, and a lack of fogginess are now a thing of the past. But the best part of all is I've really inspired everyone in my family to also eat healthy leafy greens. People think about growing food completely wrong. I know, I did that as well. We think it's for homesteaders, or we think it's for retired people who have all the time in the world, or people who have large yards with a lot of open space, but mostly the people that have a lot of free time and are really big into gardening. I'm here to tell you that yes, I like to garden. Good God, I started a living wall business, but growing my own food was something I never attempted, or if I did, it was a disaster. So what I did was partner with professional organic growers, and we tested soils, and I designed a planted wall system that minimized all the fill points in growing. It wasn't until I learned how to grow easily with living soil that it truly became a game changer for me. A lot of unexpected things happened along the way. I learned how to do something that I used to think was really hard and intimidating. My kids got into it and actually started eating salads and leafy greens. What I learned is that it doesn't have to be intimidating. I thought about building a raised bed. Heck, I even hired someone to build a raised bed for me, and then realized the neighbor's oak trees dropped leaves on it all day long. And the moles dug tunnels for an underground highway and ate the roots underneath. And the watering system that I also paid for doesn't even water evenly. So I'm stuck dealing with that. And then I look over at my planted wall solution we created, and I marvel at how much easier we've made it. Because when you learn how to grow in living soil and on systems that make it easy and eliminate the fill points, it becomes something that you enjoy and you really bring into your life to live the healthy lifestyle that they're all striving for.